When people think of the Philippines, they think of beautiful waterfalls. And this is exactly why today we are going to go waterfall chasing. Good morning, good evening, and good afternoon, friends. Welcome to Bohol in the Philippines. So today we're gonna go waterfall chasing. Woo! We've got Trina over here. Yeah. And if you remember the episodes in Nicaragua, Juju is back.
Yes.
So let's go. We've got our scooters. We're gonna be exploring, and apparently the whole drive is beautiful. And apparently those are some secret waterfalls that no one lists on any map. So let's try to find those. So we've got Juju's mom with us.
Yeah.
Just stopped on the side of the road because it looks amazing. Look at that view, guys. Like rice plantation right here, and in the horizon over there you've got, what is that? Some kind of it's the other island. And if I'm correct, this is Mindanao. We still have a bit of drive until we get to the point we're kind of hungry, so might stop for food. Can't wait to be in the waterfall, it's super hot. Juju's mom, okay?
Everything's good.
Stopped here on the side of the road because there was a village with a small market, so we picked up a few fruits and tomatoes that we're gonna eat now because most of the restaurants are closed actually for Christmas. So this is what we're gonna be doing. This is our lunch. Alright, Juju, happy?
Ah, yeah.
So good. Mango, bananas, what else do we have?
Tomatoes.
A few tomatoes right here. Christmas dinner. Just found a bakery, all fresh bread coming right out of the oven over here. Super excited. Trina's happy, she's gonna get some carbs. Merry Christmas! Look at the big photos here.
I have a feeling that this is gonna be amazing. Right here.
This is so pretty. Wow.
So pretty.
Pretty. Oh, whoa. Look at that. Wow. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Made it to the entrance, dropped the bike, paid the fee. Merry Christmas! In case you didn't realize, it is Christmas, so for Christmas, take me to 1 million. Make sure you subscribe. Yeah, I know, we have a long way to go, but why not? Anyway, look at that. This is so pretty. I can't wait to see the waterfall. Wow! And we're gonna be taking lots of shots, so make sure you stay tuned and check out on Instagram because we're gonna be releasing them. It's at Inspired by 12 and at Pierre T. Lambert. Excited, Juju?
Yeah, so much.
Different than Nicaragua, huh?
Yeah, it's more green.
We're gonna swing from the ropes and do like Tarzan here.
Can you hear the water? Can you hear the water? Super excited. Oh my god, look at that.
Oh, you're Lilan.
Yeah.
No.
This is a massive rope. Whoa, this is the best waterfall ever. I don't know what you guys think, but this is amazing. We're gonna come back here. Juju, did you love it?
Yeah.
Look at that view, is incredible. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me, look at me. Woot! Look behind me. This is sick. Like, wow. I don't even have words. This is Christmas night. The sky is beautiful, sunset is amazing. We're a bit hungry, we're gonna go back now. I really wanted to share that waterfall with you. Tomorrow we are exploring the Chocolate Hills, one more waterfall, diving in the morning I think. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you follow the adventure because the next episode is gonna be just as sick. Also, there's gonna be another YouTuber who's gonna join us. You might know him. Leave a big thumb up for that video if you like it. And I'm gonna join everyone who's taking amazing pictures of that sunset. And I will see you tomorrow for another episode. See you guys, bye-bye.
I'm recording. Oh no, it's a video. Hi. Look at this place. Look at that. Look at them. Oh my God, I'm falling.
This is the shooting time. Pierre got back his camera. Woo!